Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 8 by Seraphic Era Publications. Let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 7, Mathematics. Mathematics is the important subject of numbers and equations. Here in this chapter we will fill the blanks with the help of the help desk, and this chapter is related to mathematics. So let's begin with the exercise now. The first fill in the blank is the Babylonians used clay tablets and dash system to solve the quadratic equations and evaluate the roots, and the answer is sexagesimal. The next is the dash is an algorithm which can be used to find all the prime numbers up to a particular integer, and the answer is sieve of Eratosthenes. Next, dash were used to store numerical data for counting by the Incas, and the answer is Khufu. The next, dash by Euclid has been hailed as one of the most important books in any subject of all times, and the answer is Elements. The name of the book was Elements. Fifth is dash was a German mathematician who laid the foundation of set theory, and his name is Georg Cantor. Next is dash was famous Greek philosopher and was the first person to enunciate the laws of logic, and he is none other than Aristotle. Then we have dash a German mathematician and dash an English mathematician. They both claim to have been the first to discuss calculus, and they were the first one mathematician was the Isaac Newton, and the second English mathematician was Gottfried Leibniz. Then 8, Hilbert's problems not solved since 1900 and remain in focus of most of the mathematics till today, and they are named after David Hilbert. Moving on to the quick fact of the chapter. The quick fact says that Srinivasa Ramanujam was an Indian mathematician who lived during the British rule in India, and he made substantial contributions to mathematics. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.